okay ba tong si Pesogo? Approve agad. Pero, nagpapa-reloan ba? So, yan yung tanong na sasagutin natin, guys, for today's video. Para sa mga naghahanap dyan na mauutangan online na gusto is approve agad. Ito daw si Pesogo. Pero, ang tanong niya, okay ba to? Nagpapa-reloan ba kapag ikaw po ay nagbayad ka agad? So, let's see, guys. I-try nating muli si Pesogo na madadownload dyan sa Google Play Store. Kaya kung hindi ka pa po aware kung anong meron dito at baguhan pa lang, watch this video para malaman mo kung magkano po ang pwede mong mautang at ano ang pwede mong i-expect sa application na to. Kaya kung gusto mo po ng mga gantong video at hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe, just click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell para updated ka lagi sa mga bagong loan app na kalalabas pa lamang and sa mga update about sa kanila. And yan nga guys, kumukuha po ako ng 5 lucky winners every week. Kaya kung gusto mong sumali, don't forget to like this video. Mag-iwan po ng comment dyan sa comment section na please share na rin. So for today's spotlight, ang ating pong pag-uusapan is si Pesogo. Kasi meron pong isang nagtatanong kung okay ba siya talagang utangan at nagpapa-reloan pa rin ba siya if ever na magbayad ka kaagad. Eto nga guys, si Pesogo is under po ng Dolphin Lending Investor Incorporated. May 4.3 stars at 5,000 reviews na po as of now. As you can see, ito po yung mga nasa ads niya, no? 30,000 pesos po yung maximum limit. So, easily get up to 30,000 credits. So, license daw po at legitimate lending platform itong si Pesogo. So, secure transaction. So, built for safer everyday financial management. Only 3 steps. Just fill the information, apply and receive your funds. It's that simple. So, get loan easily, borrow what you need anytime. So, 30,000 nga po yung max dito. Fast approval, approve in minutes, funded in moments. So, let's see kung maano natin yung mga nasa ads niya, ha? So, yan. Ito nga, no, pagka-download ko po kay Pesogo, so, Loan Speedy and Loan Better. So, click natin yung sign up. So, dito guys, maglalagin tayo using our active mobile number. Get OTP tayo. So, once na nakuha na natin yung OTP, magsa-sign up na po tayo and maglalagay rin po tayo ng 6-digit password natin dito. And after nun guys, successfully registered na tayo. Start natin. As you can see here guys, 1,000 to 6,000 pesos po yung offer nitong si Pesogo sa akin. So hindi ko sure kung same tayo ng loan offer dito, pero sa akin po ay ganito. So get instant cash now tayo. And dito guys, minimum po is 3,300. Maximum po is 32,300 pesos. Ayan, nag-brown out na pati guys. So 12,300 po dito yung pinakang binibigay nila, ino-offer nila sa akin. So, fill upan lang natin tong loan purpose and expected loan term natin and then click natin yung apply. And then dito guys, as you can see, meron siyang loan term ha na 91 days, 120, 150 at 180 days. And dito after guys, maglalagay ka po dito ng ID. So, ayan, after nun, mag-fill up ka na po ng basic information and 2 contact number lang po ang need dito. But make sure na dapat alam nila na nilagay mo po sila as contact references kasi maaari po silang tawagan or i-text. And then dito guys, mag-fill up ka na po ng personal information mo and mag-a-add ka po ng bank account kung saan mo po pwedeng ma-receive yung pera. So dito may option ka na GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay, and bank. And after nun guys, your loan is under review. Under review po yung aking application and mag-wait po tayo kung approve tayo or hindi. After nun guys, nag-check po muna ako ng mga ilang review about dito kay Pesogo para masagot din natin kung okay ba talaga siya guys based sa mga nakautang na sa kanya. Pero ito, pagkakita ko pa lang dito guys, after paying twice, then they declined me again and again multiple times. I'm not even delayed in payment. I already deleted my account due to frustration. O, diba? Kung ikaw ay nagtatanong kung ikaw ay magbabayad ka agad ng iyong loan application, makakapag-reloan ka ba dito kay Pesogo? So, ito nga po, after niya daw makapagbayad ng 2 beses, na-decline na po, na-reject na po siya ng na-reject. And ito pa yung review, no? Interest fee is so high. You will receive tons of SMS days before the due date to settle your balance and will promise you to get a higher loan amount. But they are all lies. If you pay your loan, you can't reloan anymore. Waste of time. Hindi ka na daw makakapag-reloan, guys, kay PesoGo. And ito, never download to this app. It's really a scam. Has a high interest and not full of your loan amount will disburse to you and you need it to pay every 7 days. So, hindi daw full amount yung ma-receive mo at need mo magbayad every 7 days. So, hulugan siguro siya, pero every 7 days. Penalties is 100 a day. Interest is 30% o 100 a day. Kapag ikaw umutang dito, wala kang naasang pambayad within the day, 100 pesos a day po yung interest niya. So, 30% daw po yung interest. And the worst thing is they do harassment. May harassment pala, guys. Harassment to the borrowers and unlawful debt collection practice. O ano, mag-a-apply ka pa ba kay PesoGo? Nasagot ba natin kung okay ba si PesoGo at makakapag-reloan ba? Anyway, nasa inyo na guys yung desisyon. At chinek kong muli guys yung aking application at kung makikita mo dito ha, you can resubmit after 7 days. The PesoGo loan product you applied has been rejected. Rejected po yung aking application at hindi po tayo na-approve. So yan guys, sana nasagot natin yung tanong nyo ha, kung okay ba si PesoGo. Kayo na rin talagang humusga sa mga narinig nyong reviews dito guys. At may harassment pa daw siya. At kung makakapag-reloan kayo kaagad after nyo magbabayad, karamihan nagsasabi na hindi na nagpapa-reloan, na-decline na yung kanilang application. So, ano, uutang pa rin ba kayo dito or not? So, nasa inyo pa rin guys ang decision. Anyways, that's it. Yan lang po yung vlog natin for today and hoping ako na nagkaroon tayo ng idea about dito muli kay PesoGo. And for those na hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and be updated sa aking mga latest uploads. So, bye-bye na muna for now guys. See you on my next video.